Alright guys, now this is another video on Clickbank free traffic. In my last video I talked about digital marketing, types of digital marketing, and I said affiliate marketing is a type of digital marketing, and for you to excel in affiliate marketing you should be able to have some digital marketing skills, and one of the skills is something like content creation. Now what content creation does for you is help you to increase your audience, create your digital presence, and also get conversions. All right, and when we're talking about content, we're talking about things like your ebooks, web pages, your blog, your images and videos and all that. All right, so in today's video I'm going to show you some certain platforms where you're going to have to post your content in order to drive traffic to your affiliate page and have you make some affiliate commissions. All right, but before I do that, please help my channel grow by subscribing to my channel. All right, and also hit the notification button. Don't forget to leave a like, and also don't forget to leave a comment so that you get notified every time I upload videos like this. Alright guys, welcome back. My name is Maz White and I make 100% of my income using the internet, and one of the ways I does that is through affiliate marketing online business. Now in a very short period of time of being on the internet, I've been able to create for myself a 6-figure online business that generates income even while I'm sleeping. All right, so if you're coming across me for the very first time on the internet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, leave a like so that you get notified every time I upload videos like this. And in case you're trying, you want to make money online using affiliate marketing as a business model, or you've been on the internet for some time and you've been struggling to make money online, I'm going to leave the link to my crash course below this video. All right, so at the end of this video, go click on that link and go get my crash course so that you can lay your hand on the very training that took me by the hands and showed me how to win with affiliate marketing online business. Now having said that, let's jump straight to the video of the day. All right guys, welcome to my video. Now this is another Clickbank affiliate marketing tutorial on Clickbank on free traffic. All right, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you several platforms where you can go promote your content, okay, because content promotion is vital. All right, content creation or content marketing is an aspect of digital marketing. All right, and it comes to play on affiliate marketing. So you must know how to create content if you really want to do well with affiliate marketing, and at the same time you must know how to promote your content, because with your content you tell your stories. All right, with your content you tell your stories, you promote your product. All right, content is basically creating story around topics that are within your niche. All right, this is what content is, and it's so vital that you know how to create content and also promote your content. All right, so in today's video I'm going to show you platforms where you're going to go promote your contents for free. And in case you're coming across me online, what I do on this channel is basically affiliate marketing. So I create content consistently that help you to grow your affiliate marketing online business. So if you stick with me on this channel, I bet you're going to grow over time. All right, you're going to grow over time, because everything that I'm teaching you here is what I practicalize. All right, it's what I do, and I make affiliate commissions. I make money here doing all this. So we're going to go straight to I want to show you okay, on Clickbank. All right, this is Clickbank Marketplace. All right, and we're going to be since this is a tutorial, okay, I'm going to pick on a product on Clickbank Marketplace. Let's assume you want to promote this Okinawa flat belly. Of course, on this platform I promote a lot of products on Clickbank. All right, that's how I make affiliate commissions. So let's pick up this Okinawa flat belly tonic. All right, and I'm going to show you how to go and create content around them and promote them on free places, on free platforms where you're not going to need to pay anything to go to promote them. All right, so this is free traffic. So for instance, if we are promoting this, we're going to click on promote. I believe if you're doing affiliate marketing, you should know about Clickbank. All right, so if we are promoting Okinawa flat belly, what we're going to do is click on promote. All right, enter your nickname. All right, you can type in Okinawa flat belly here and just generate your hop link. Okay, let me do that. I type in Maz White, then I can put in something like, okay, Okinawa flat belly. I generate my hop link. Okay, I generate my hop link, I copy my hop link, and I head on straight to bit.ly.com. okay, and shorten. bit.ly.com is a URL shortener. I paste my hop link here. Let me show you. Okay, you place your hop link here. Place your hop link here, shorten your hop link, and then you copy this hop link and go place it on your notepad. All right, so this is it here. You place it on your notepad. So this is our hop link for Okinawa flat belly tonic. All right, so the next thing you do is go to a place like Medium. All right, you go to medium.com. Now medium.com is a platform for content writers. Loads of people, thousands of people come on Medium to write content, to promote one thing or the other. All right, to promote one thing, and it's free. It's free to promote your content here. All right, and let me show you how strong Medium is. Now if I analyze Medium on similarweb.com, similarweb.com is an intelligence provider on online business. All right, so if I should analyze Medium on similarweb.com, you're going to see the huge traffic that Medium has every month. 161 million every month visitors on this platform. Folks, this is a huge platform. Medium is a huge platform. So you can come to Medium here and just create content. But there's one problem that people have with posting content on Medium, because recently Medium changed their policies. All right, that changed their policies when it comes to placing your affiliate link within your content. But I'm going to show you how to do that. So for example, I click here on my profile and I go to write a story. All right, I go to write a story. Now I want to create a content here, a free content here, and generate income. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my Google document. Okay, this is my Google document. I'm going to go to my Google document, which I've already written my article. So I'm going to copy my article. Okay, copy my topic, and I'm going to head on to Medium, place my title here. Okay, paste my title here. This is my title. All right, and then here I'm going to place the picture of a picture that is related to weight loss. So let me type in weight loss. Let me type in weight loss and get a picture on weight loss. All right, okay, this is flat tummy. Since we're talking about flat tummy, sorry, now this is picture of flat tummy. Then I'm going to click and just go down again. Then I'm going to head back again to my Google document. All right, I want us to have a very short video here, so I'm not going to make this on a long one. Then I'm going to head to my Google document, copy my article, the article that I've written over time. I'm going to copy it again and head on to I'm going to head on to Medium, paste my article. I'm trying to show you how to enter your affiliate link so that your content doesn't get flagged down on Medium, and then you can promote your affiliate link and make affiliate commissions for free. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I'm writing this is where the portion where I'm promoting my affiliate link. So I said discover your surefire way to flatten your belly. All right, now my affiliate link is going to come here, and I'm going to leave, you're going to leave your affiliate disclosure showing that this link is an affiliate link, or else your article is going to be flagged down. And make sure you place your affiliate link a few way, very short way down your article, not below your article. It must come a few way down your article. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head down to my notepad, copy my affiliate link. Okay. I'm going to copy this affiliate link, head here straight, place it. Okay. My affiliate link is going to come here. Okay. I'm going to place my affiliate link here. Okay. All right. So this becomes an affiliate link. If you look at here, you're going to see that this is an affiliate link with an affiliate disclosure. This is an affiliate link. If you use this link to buy something, I may earn a commission. So with this, Medium is not going to flag your article down. They're not going to bring your article down. Another way to do it also is to link your, if you want to add another link somewhere else, okay, you can link that particular place to your website. Could be a free website, could be a paid website. All right, and that is it with promoting your content on Medium. And then you can go ahead and enter your tags, weight loss tag and flat belly, enter your tags. All right, and then go ahead to publish. But I won't be publishing this article here, so I'm just giving you an example of what to do. So another platform again where you can go and promote your content for free is somewhere like Quora.com. Quora is also a very huge platform to promote your content without paying a dime. All right, now I discovered something recently which I've been also using to maximize profit, and that is Quora Space. Now with Quora Space is just like your blog. All right, Quora Space is just like your blog, where you can come here and create your own blog and promote whatever niche you are into. Let me show you an example. For instance, if I type in Okinawa, all right, Okinawa, okay, you're gonna see somebody promoting. Okay, this is somebody's space. This is somebody using his space to promote Okinawa flat belly tonic. And if I open up this article some more, you're going to see some affiliate links within this article. This is an affiliate link, so if I click on this affiliate link, it's going to carry me straight to Okinawa website. All right, so you can create your link, create your account on Quora.com and use your space to promote your content for free. Use your space to promote your content for free. All right, use your the space is like your own blogging platform. Okay, and then another way is to answer questions. You answer questions. Let me say something like how to lose weight. How to lose weight. Sorry, how to lose weight. All right, and how to lose weight. So you're going to have these are related results to my search. How do I motivate myself to lose weight? How do I lose weight without doing exercises? How can I lose weight quickly? Let's click on this, and you're going to have a space where you can go answer questions and promote your content for free. All right, for instance, how can I lose weight weight quickly? Now if you look at here, you're going to see a lot of answers, and if I click on them, you're going to see affiliate links. All right, and I tell you, for instance, this guy here is generating a lot of views. On this write up alone, he has generated up to 27,000.8k views. All right, and I tell you, if this is an affiliate promotion, then he's really getting traffic. All right, so if I go ahead and if I go ahead and look at some articles written on this, for example, if I look at this, I believe this should be this guy should be promoting an affiliate, must be promoting an affiliate link. All right, these are all affiliate links. These are all affiliate links. But the thing here is that for you to add your affiliate link to your answers here, you're going to need to provide value. You're going to need to provide value with your content. All right, you don't just come and write anything and then add your affiliate link. You must make sure you provide value and before adding your affiliate link. All right, and you must add your affiliate link once. You add it once. So if you're going to add a second link, it should be a link that takes your reader to your website. All right, could be Google website or your own self-hosted website. All right, so there are two ways to actually promote your content on Quora. One is using your space, and the next one is answering questions. All right, so what I'm showing you here are basically what I do to promote my content and to make affiliate commissions. All right, so that is that, folks. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to leave me subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and also don't forget to leave a comment. So thank you for being with me to the end of this video. God bless you. See you in my next video. And the only way to win is to put to action what you are doing. All right, learn to put to action what you are learning. All right, the more you put it to action, the more you're likely to learn. Okay, see you in my next video. God bless you.